get in there. I want no bullshit. You stay on my 6 at all times.
Stay sharp. These fuckers are nasty and dangerous. Stay alert. What the hell happened here? Where are the bodies?
What you just watched was made in under 60 seconds, completely free. No subscription, no watermark. And honestly, I couldn't believe it myself the first time I saw it. In this video I tested 3 free AI video generators that actually let you download your videos without a watermark, no credit card, no paid plan, nothing. And by the end of this video I'm going to show you which one is the best one in 2026. And trust me, the answer might surprise you. So let's get into it. First up we have Magic Hour. Now this one I personally had never used before making this video, and honestly it completely caught me off guard. You sign up for free, no credit card, and you immediately get 400 credits with no expiry date. That means these credits don't disappear after a week like most tools. They just sit there waiting for you, so I'm going to type in my test prompt right now. I'm using the same prompt across all 3 tools so we get a fair comparison. My prompt is a cinematic shot of a futuristic city at night with neon lights reflecting on wet streets. Slow camera push, photorealistic. I'm going to hit generate, and while we wait let me show you what else Magic Hour can do on the free plan. Look at this. On the free plan you get text to video, image to video, face swap, lip sync, talking photo, and AI image generation, all from 400 free credits. That is honestly one of the most generous free plans I have seen on any AI tool in 2026. Okay, our video is ready. Let me play this for you. Okay, so honestly that is pretty decent for a free tool. The motion is smooth, the lighting looks cinematic, and most importantly, look at this. I'm downloading it right now. Clean, professional. Ready to post. Alright, so this is Magic Hour, and I'll be real with you. For quality, I'd give it a 7 out of 10. It's decent, but not the best. Sometimes the output isn't super polished. Ease of use though? Easy 9 out of 10. It's very simple and beginner friendly. You don't need to stress at all. In the free plan, also a 9 out of 10. It's actually fair. Tool number 2 is Key AI, and this one has a really interesting free plan structure. When you sign up you get 200 credits immediately plus 100 more credits every single day forever. That daily refresh is huge because it means you can keep coming back and generating videos every day without paying anything. I'm typing in the same prompt, futuristic city, neon lights, wet streets, cinematic, slow push, hit generate. Now Key AI is interesting because they run their own dedicated hardware, so generation is actually really fast. We're talking about 30 seconds for a 108p video. That is fast compared to most tools. And here it is. So the quality here is solid, 108p, smooth motion, no watermark on the download. What I really like about ZSKY compared to Magic Hour is the daily credit refresh. If you're someone who wants to generate videos consistently every single day, this is your tool, because you will never fully run out of credits. Okay, tool number 3. And this is the one that I think is going to blow your mind. This is Google Veo 3.1, Google's most advanced AI video model. And as of April 2026, Google made this completely free for anyone with a regular Google account. You don't need Google Workspace. You don't need a subscription. Just a Gmail account. You access it through Google Flow at flow.google.com, and you get 50 AI credits every single day that reset every 24 hours. That's roughly 12 videos per day for free. I still can't believe I'm saying this, but that cinematic action film you saw at the start of this video, Veo 3.1 made that for free. Watch this other scene from the same film. Okay, so let's break this all down. We tested 3 free AI video generators with no watermark. Here is my honest verdict. Magic are as perfect if you want the most features on a free plan. Face swap, lip sync, image to video. It does it all and your 400 credits never expire. Great starting point. Key AI is your best option if you want to generate videos every single day for free. That daily credit refresh means you never stop creating. Solid quality, fast generation, no watermark. But the winner, and it is not even close, is Google Veo 3.1. The quality difference is massive. If you want to create content that actually looks professional, that people stop scrolling for, that you can post on YouTube or Instagram without being embarrassed, Veo 3.1 is the answer. And the fact that it is completely free with just a Gmail account is honestly one of the biggest things Google has ever done for content creators. All 3 of these tools are linked in the description below so you can go try them right now. There is zero excuse not to start creating AI videos in 2026 because the tools are free, the quality is insane, and there are no watermarks stopping you from posting your content. If this video helped you out, drop a like. It genuinely helps this video reach more people who need it. And if you want to see more videos like this covering the best free AI tools for creators, then subscribe because I cover this stuff every single week. Check out the video on screen right now. It's going to show you how to take these AI videos and turn them into a full YouTube channel. I'll see you there.